Hi, and welcome to the Master Influencers team, hosted by Allie from Decor, Home, and Lifestyle. Happy Hoarder here, and I am working on something today that's a little bit different. I am always trying to make my channel better, and I am testing out the Streamyard Teams and with my friend Robin. So she's going to join us now. Okay, so what I did is I went to started a new one, and I did not add any kind of like Facebook, Twitter, or anything on this one. Okay, so it just said record only, and so that's the only thing I clicked. So it should not be broadcasting. So the in broadcast sign like freaked me out. That's why. But I made sure this time it's not broadcasting. It better not be broadcasting. So what we're doing is working on Teams, and I've got to add, hang on, go back to do all this stuff again where I have to add a screen. So I'm coming down here to share my screen. I'm actually videoing this as I go on my screen as well, doing a screen record. We'll see how this turns out. So I'm going to share the screen, and I'm going to pull up a Chrome tab that is YouTube that I was watching, or I'm not, because I think I closed it out. That's great. And it's StreamYard help. So I have this, and I'm just going to play it this way. Pretty much got to get over it. And I could make it bigger. Let me try this. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Maybe that'll help. StreamYard. I just want to open another tab, and I'm going to play. Really, I have so many things to open. It's just really crazy.
Hi, my name's Gage, and I'm one of the founders of StreamYard. Until now, collaboration has been a bit difficult in StreamYard, and that's why I'm so excited to announce StreamYard Teams. Let's jump into it. StreamYard Teams lets you invite team members to your account. To invite members, let's go to the Members tab on the left. As you can see on the banner above, we're celebrating the launch of Teams, and for a limited time, you can invite one team member to your account free of charge on any plan. If you're on a paid plan at StreamYard, we're also offering the Teams add-on at a significantly reduced rate. You can find the details if you click that claim discount button.
Let's talk over it. Someone can go watch the video. But did you add teams, or did you just add the one?
Invite team member button.
Did you add additional teams to your?
First, I'll need to create and name my team. For this example, I'll just go ahead and name my team Gage's Team and click Next. To invite a team member, I just need to enter their email address. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and invite Dana. So let me just enter.
Okay, so we've already done this, and Robin has accepted, and I actually listed her as an administrator because our goal
essentially allows Dana
is to
do everything that I can do as the account owner. She'll be able to change destinations, create broadcasts, go live. Most of my abilities she'll have as well. There's also the co-host option, which limits Dana's abilities to most actions inside of the studio. This could be things like showing comments or banners, things like that. For this example, let's go ahead and select the co-host role. Now I'll go ahead and send the invite, and Dana should receive an email.
Hey, it's Dana.
So this part doesn't help me much.
Accepting the team invite. Once you've been added to a team, you'll receive an email invitation.
I don't know why they didn't do a video on the other one, though, on what it is to log in co-administrators.
The thing is, I know
now I'm part of his team. Since I'm added as a co-host, I don't have to create a broadcast button.
Hang on one
second. This is because I can only assist in the broadcast studio. So once Gage creates a broadcast studio, I'll be able to enter the studio and show comments, banners, add shared screens.
Okay, I'm gonna turn her down.
I can leave the team at any time by clicking.
Yeah, so this one doesn't really apply to us, but let it run. I
can also switch
think
back to my team.
our goals are that both of us will have the benefit of sharing the views and the benefits of having the video download so that we can put it on both of our channels. So what we're going to do is see what happens with this, and just hang on, and we're going to figure it out, because I contacted support about this, and they told me how to do this. Basically, I really wish they had sent me a they'd sent our conversation so that I can figure out what I was supposed to be doing anyway. But I'm going to get out of this, because really I don't think that's going to work for us right now, because we need to deal with the admin part of it.
But I can
StreamYard off. Okay, we're going to set up another one, and we're actually going to go live. So if anybody's out there who likes us and says, why are these two live now? We'll explain it when we get there. Do you, I have a thumbnail. Do I have a thumbnail? I was putting together a thumbnail and I didn't create it yet. So that was one of my problems. That I need to do.
When are we going live? Because I'm going to tell somebody to come over that kind of knows about.
That would be awesome. We want you to, no, we can still work here together. It's still broadcasting. I could just use whatever footage from this that I think is going to work for us. But I am going to, while you're doing that, contact them, but stay on. And I'm going to go into my my thing and try to make my whatever this is. Hang on.
He said he'd come over, so just go live and then.
All right, so you can send him. So you should be able to send him a link, and bring him in.
Oh, you want to bring him in?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if he'll come in, but I'll ask him.
I can do audio if he wants to.
Okay.
That's fine.
Just a sec. Let me ask him first.
Oh, here we go. I'm trying to get both things showing at one time. I thought I had a thing. There's so much junk going on. Oh, I had this happen. I had to do this in a different configuration. I cannot see anything. Who is this? Who's our lovely guest today?
Steve Nealon.
Oh, Steve, yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, Steve. Steve knows everything.
Yeah, he's really smart.
Okay, so I just want to say, just because Robin may play a dumb blonde on YouTube, but in reality, she's brilliant. She really is. And she's extremely creative. And I do love her lives. We have so much fun. So today I was going back and looking at some, your older lives. And I was like, I know at some point I was watching and not communicating. And then I finally figured out which one I actually think I started interacting with. I would just click on, but really started watching.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, I noticed you commented.
Yeah, I was leaving comments. I remember this one. But it was the one where you were painting and really getting the other thing finished. I think that's the one I kind of clicked on to start. I think I commented on that, but you did not save. Oh, that's the thing. You didn't save the comments. We need to make sure our comments are saved when we do our live ones. That's another thing. You got to make sure you click that box in, I guess, you have to go in, whatever. Both channels, you actually have to go click on them. And you have to say YouTube customize, and you have to make sure I check that I do want to record the comments. And I think same thing in Facebook is something I have to do, especially for those.
Oh,
but I'm going to take it out. I'm not going to do Twitter though.
Mine always save on mine.
It does, because you're probably just doing the one, and I'm doing different ones. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
So I have to make sure. I just had to double check because I don't know for sure if it did. So I need to go into my files to open something. Hey, you going to join us in person? You can.
Hey.
Okay, so here's the goal, Steve. Got another guest here. Steve, I'm actually recording this for a video I had to make. If you don't want to be in the video, let us know. We'll cut you out. But I'm supposed to be on this group that's supposed to know what they're doing, and I don't know what I'm doing. But this is something new to me, and we're trying to figure it out. So my goal was in hopes that by having the Streamyard Teams, Robin and I can both benefit from the views from the live streams and somehow be able to use the actual videos or something to that effect. But we both benefit from doing this.
Okay. Well, you can't be on two channels at one time, so.
That's where I asked them specifically, and according, and I don't know how this works, and this is what she said, and I said, I wish I had the transcript. It's said that if she isn't invited, then I can include her as a destination. So I literally have to go set up a new StreamYard live. And right now I'm just doing a record. So I have to set it up to go live. And I need to, we could also set it up to go off in a little bit, a little while later. Let me try that.
Wait.
So let me share that screen with y'all, what I'm doing. Well, let me open the screen first. Well, StreamYard. So, I think it's on there, right? So let me hit share screen. And maybe y'all can see what I'm trying to do. Okay, which one am I sharing? This one. Okay, I'm just going to go back into my StreamYard. And I'm going to create a broadcast. a new broadcast, and I'm going to add somebody. And the new one is going to be a YouTube channel. Let's see if this works. And I want to use another account. Choose your account or a brand to continue. Why is it doing this? Why is it not letting me get back on? So that's what I was wondering, if I could right here, why can't I add her to this? And that's
you may not be able to do it while you're actually in a stream.
Yeah, so I tried to open a new one. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to destinations. Let's try this one. Add a destination. I need to add a YouTube channel. It's only going to go to mine. So let me try one more thing. Sign into you. Do I just get out of this one or go back? And members. So we'll try this. Members. Invite member. I have her. Admin. Let's see what all these say. Remove from team. No, it's really not going to give me some choices. Well, that's weird. So obviously there's more to this than meets the eye, but I think I should be able to go in and add her account, or she should be able to, because she's an admin, actually add the account. So that was probably something we needed to do in private and not on a video. Anyway, we're trying to see what we could put together, but I think there is a way. I'm very confused about how all this works. I would love to have some answers on this, but the point to all of this is, all of this new stuff is coming out, and do what you can to whatever's going to help your channel grow, and whatever's going to help you and a friend's channel grow is even better, because community in YouTube is very important. So stick to your group and y'all and try to grow together. I think it's very important to do that. So anyway, I'm just saying that. So thanks for watching, and hey, please hit that like and subscribe if you haven't. This is not a typical video. In fact, I probably won't be making any more videos like this one, because I really need to pursue my other things. I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing everything I can to improve my channel, and I hope you're doing the same. So check with me on my live streams on Tuesdays at 2 o'clock and at 6:30 on Thursday nights, and that is Central Standard Time. And hey, hit that notification button, because sometimes I make pretty good videos.